Morning, everyone.
Morning.
I think the pastor already said about my name. I just like to thank everyone. Thank the congregation. Thank also for the message. As we kept the message, what they teach us today. So I think everyone have a dream, and everyone have a vision. Sometimes when God speaks, we don't listen, and then we don't careful. So the first message will come to the person is God speaking, and the second idea is the devil. I'll just to support the message. So we must be careful when God speaks. So we don't put attention. So sometimes you can dream, we wake up, it's gone. But it's God speaks by many ways. You can feel some song is coming, hear the message from the song. You can go outside, you get some events, so it's correspond to the message. That is the part of the vision. Thank you. We are here. We love the country. Today God said they must come and they visit the congregation and they greet everyone. So by God's grace, may we be together. Yeah, because everything is done by the will of God. We can't do everything by our own. We have to listen to what God says, especially to people who give the gifts of vision and the hearing. So the gifts of prophecy. Yeah. Thank you so everyone, and God bless all of us.